Welcome back to Dormira Sleep, and a warm welcome to anyone joining for the first time. For the next few moments, there's nowhere else you need to be, and nothing else you need to do. Go ahead and find a comfortable spot in your bed, lying on your back. Let your arms rest by your sides, and allow your feet to fall open naturally. Take a second to make any little adjustments. Maybe wiggle your shoulders or fluff your pillow. Give yourself permission to get completely comfortable and still for the next 10 minutes. And when you're ready, just gently close your eyes. Let's start with a slow, deep breath in through your nose, feeling your belly and chest expand. Hold it for just a beat. And as you exhale, let it all go with a soft sigh, feeling the day begin to soften. Let's do that one more time. A long, slow breath in, drawing in a sense of quiet, and a full, complete exhale, letting go of whatever you've been holding on to. Now, just let your breath settle back into its own easy, natural rhythm, rising and falling without any effort at all. Start to bring your attention to the feeling of your body being held. Notice the places where your body meets the mattress, the weight of your head on the pillow, your shoulders, your back, your hips, your heels. Feel how the bed is supporting you, allowing you to let go completely. You don't need to hold yourself up anymore. Tonight, we're going to invite the day's tension to simply melt away. You can imagine any stress, worries, or tightness from your day are like little blocks of ice held inside your muscles. As we go, your awareness and your breath will act like a gentle warmth, allowing those icy spots to soften, dissolve, and melt. It doesn't have to be a little feeling of heat, just a sense or an image of softening. Each exhale is a wave of that warmth, creating a little more space, a little more peace. Let's start our scan at the very top of your head. Feel, or just imagine, a soothing warmth touching your scalp. And as it does, feel the tiny muscles here begin to release. Let this feeling of softness flow down into your forehead. Feel the space between your eyebrows widen, smoothing out any lines of concentration from the day. Your forehead feels smooth and calm. Allow your eyelids to feel heavy, so heavy and relaxed. Let your eyes sink gently back, releasing them from the duty of seeing. There's nothing to look for, nothing to analyze. Bring your awareness to the tiny muscles around your eyes, and just let them go. Now, let that warm, melting sensation travel into your cheeks. Let them feel soft and loose. Bring your attention to your jaw, a place where so much tension is often stored. See if you can consciously unclench your teeth, allowing a tiny space to form between them. Let your jaw hang heavy and loose, feeling the tension in those powerful muscles simply dissolving. Finally, let your tongue rest gently in your mouth. Your whole face can now feel soft and at ease. Allow that wave of melting relaxation to flow down into your neck and throat. Release any tightness you might be holding here. As you exhale, imagine any words left unspoken or any tightness from the day just melting away. Now bring your full, gentle attention to your shoulders. We carry so much on our shoulders. You can visualize any burdens you've been carrying as a heavy cloak. And with your next exhale, just let that cloak slide right off. Feel your shoulders drop down, away from your ears, melting down into the mattress. There's a profound sense of release in that. Let this wonderful, warm sensation flow from your shoulders down into your arms. Feel it travel through your upper arms, softening the muscles there. The warmth flows past your elbows, into your forearms, down through your wrists, and into your hands. Unclench your fingers, letting them curl naturally. Feel a sense of warmth and heaviness fill your palms. Your arms and hands are now completely heavy, warm, and relaxed. They've done enough today. It's their time to rest. Gently guide your focus to your chest and upper back. Notice the gentle, rhythmic movement here as you breathe. Feel your chest softly rise and fall. With every out-breath, imagine the area around your heart softening and opening. Now, let that melting sensation travel down your spine. Scan your awareness slowly down your upper back as it releases and spreads. Down to your middle back, letting go all of any tension held there. And all the way down to your lower back, an area that works so hard for you. Invite it to completely release, to soften and sink deeply into the mattress. Your entire back is now melting into a state of ease. Bring your attention to your abdomen. Let your belly be soft. Allow it to rise and fall freely with each breath, without any need to hold it in. This is a place of deep letting go. With each exhale, release any knots of nervousness you might find here. Just a gentle, rhythmic rising and falling, like soft waves on a calm sea. Your whole torso, from your shoulders to your hips, is now deeply relaxed. Let your awareness travel down into your hips and your pelvis. This is another spot where we can store a lot of deep-seated tension. With your next out breath, give this area full permission to let go. Feel the large muscles of your hips and glutes release their grip, softening and spreading out against the bed. Feel this wave of melting warmth continue its journey down into your legs. It flows through your powerful thighs, which have carried you through the day. You can thank them and give them permission to finally rest completely. Feel the entire weight of your thighs being held by the bed. This sensation flows through your knees, softening the joints, and down into your calves and shins. Let go of any restlessness here. Finally, bring your awareness all the way down to your feet. Notice any sensations in your ankles, your heels, the soles of your feet, and each and every toe. Imagine that warmth enveloping your feet. And as it does, Any last bit of tension just melts away. Your feet feel heavy, warm, and profoundly at ease, sinking gently into the mattress. And now, there's nothing left to do. Your whole body, from the tips of your toes to the crown of your head, is filled with a peaceful sense of heaviness and warmth. Feel yourself sinking, melting deeper and deeper into the comfort of your bed with every gentle breath. Each exhale takes you further down into a state of complete rest. You are safe. You are supported. You are deeply relaxed. Let go of my voice now. Let go of the guidance. Allow the gentle waves of your own breath to carry you into a deep and restorative sleep. If thoughts arise, just let them float by like distant clouds. There's no need to follow them. Simply return to the feeling of your body, heavy and melting into the bed. Allow yourself to drift. Allow yourself to dream. Sleep now. Sleep well.